Now I'm going to show you how to make the chocolate version. So we're just going to take about half of this, which is about there. And we're just going to take our cocoa powder, dump it right into it, and slowly stir that in. Now the thing is, the cocoa powder is going to thicken it up a little bit, so you may need a little more milk to make this work, but we'll see. Or it may work out just fine. This is actually a light cocoa powder. If you use a dark cocoa powder, it'll actually turn a darker shade. I went with something light though. Something else you can do is, in a pinch, if you don't have cocoa powder, you can also use chocolate syrup would work, as well as the powder for hot cocoa, the hot chocolate, like the instant stuff. You just add hot water. That would work too. Wouldn't work as well as regular cocoa powder, but chocolate syrup works just fine. But chocolate syrup, you have to make sure you make it a little too thick beforehand, because the chocolate syrup will thin it out because it is runny. So now you can see there's our chocolate frosting and our vanilla icing, all in the same batch. Just a couple of minutes to knock both of those out. So, and like I said, if it thickens up at all, just a little bit of milk or even a little bit of water if you don't want to use milk. You can also make this with water. It just doesn't come out nearly as tasty. There you go. Just make sure you whip all the lumps out. And if it's a little too thin, you can always add some more powdered sugar. So that's two really simple icings right there.